Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I'm facing an issue with my E-Class where it's overheating. Right now the temperature is right under 80 Celsius because I let it cool off, but I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is check the coolant level. As you can see, the coolant is just fine. So what I noticed is after I stopped the car, the engine is still warm and the fan didn't start. So right now I'm gonna try to check to see if the fan's working or not. So basically, to check the fan, what you're gonna wanna do is turn on the car and turn on the AC to max or low. So you know that the AC compressor starts working. Right now, the AC compressor is definitely working. So we're gonna look to see if the fan spins. As you can see, the fan doesn't turn on. So that's probably our issue here. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to check the relays. So basically over here you have two gray relays and one of them is for the fan. So what I'm gonna do is check if the relays are working. So what I'm gonna do is take them out and switch them in between. This is one, this is two. I'm gonna just switch them in between. Let's see if it works now. So now I turned on the car, the AC is on. Let's see if the fan works. So because I checked and the fan still doesn't spin, I'm gonna assume that the fan is broken. But before that, I'm gonna check if the connector gets electricity, because if it doesn't, that could mean an interruption on the cable. So basically, this is the connector and it has like two clips. So I just popped off the connector and I'm gonna use a voltmeter to check if it gives any electricity out. So basically now I have a voltmeter and I'm gonna measure the connector. So as you can see, even with the car turned off, it gives 12.2 volts. So that's the sign that the connector is fine. So basically that means that the fan is most probably broken. So I'm just gonna take it out and replace it. You gotta make sure over here it has two places where there's a coolant hose that clips into it. You can see it right here. This one, just make sure you clip it back in when you put it back. So here I have a replacement fan that I got from a breakage yard. But this one, as you can see, is cracked over here and the corner as well. So what I'm gonna do is replace this good motor with the other one that I had on my car, which is broken. So what you're gonna wanna do is unscrew these three T25 Torx screws. You gotta make sure to not strip them like I almost did on this one. But after that, what you're gonna want to do is take off this connector, which is held in by clips, plastic clips, as you can see here. And the other side as well. And after you've done that, the connector is free. Now you can just push out the cable from here. Now I'm gonna take my good paste and just switch them around. That's good. So now that I put everything back together, let's check if it works. Let's see, ignition on, AC on. So we fixed the issue. Mission complete, boys.